I think you mean breakfast, Birdie. Even though it's lunchtime, the crack of noon, that's breakfast for most of us musicians. So we're getting up at these wee early hours of breakfast. The light. I think you're in the way, Birdie. Whiskey, weed, women, cocaine, and guns. These are the things I've abused for fun. My days are numbered as a heathen. I never knew my father, but I'm my daddy's son. And it leaves me, oh, it leaves me wondering, oh, mama, can you? Oh, mama, can you save me? Mama, can you save me? Oh, mama, can you save your only begotten son? Oh, mama, can you save me? You spend half your life in prison behind bars, but on these streets you're a superstar. You never knew how to begin honest living, but you knew about robbing and you knew about killing, and it leaves me, oh, it leaves me wondering, mama, can you, oh, mama, can you save me? Mama, can you save me? Oh, mama, can you save your only begotten son? Can you say, mama, one of these days, gonna change my ways. Mama, can I be? Oh, mama, can you save me? Mama, can you save me? Quick, wait for it. Oh, that's what's cooking in the kitchen for lunch. Oh, the light, Birdie, the light. That's what's cooking in the kitchen.